here we are going to study different types of pronouns. So first, let us begin with the definition of pronouns as to what are pronouns. So pronouns are basically the words which are used in place of nouns, which means that they are generally the replacement of noun. So how can we define a pronoun? Words which are used in place of noun are referred to as pronouns. So the role of pronouns is similar to that of a noun. It is just that pronouns are used as a replacement for nouns. For example, he, she, it, her, they, them, all these are referred to as pronouns. Now next we are going to understand the type of pronouns. Now as there are different types of nouns, similarly there are different types of pronouns. So the different types of pronouns are, first is personal pronoun, second type is possessive pronoun, next type of pronoun is demonstrative pronoun, next type is interrogative, and the last type of pronoun is relative pronoun. So different types of pronouns are personal, possessive, demonstrative, interrogative and relative pronouns. These are the 5 types of pronouns. Now remember that the nouns which are being replaced by a pronoun are referred to as antecedent. How it is spelled? A-N-T-E-C-E-D-A-N-T. So antecedent, it is a noun which is replaced by a pronoun. For example, I say Sita has arrived. She is early. Therefore, over here, Sita is antecedent. Why? Because now Sita has been replaced by she. Therefore, the noun which is replaced by a pronoun is referred to as antecedent. Therefore, Sita becomes an antecedent. Why? Because it has been replaced by the word she. Now, coming up to the type of noun. Now, in this video, first we are going to discuss about personal pronoun as to what are personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are the type of nouns which are associated with a particular person or a particular thing. Now, example of personal pronouns are I, he, she, it. All these are the examples of personal pronouns because we are associating a particular person or we are associating with a particular thing, right? Now, personal pronouns can be further divided into 2 types. So now we are going to discuss the type of personal noun. So the first type of personal noun is subject personal noun. And the second type of personal pronoun is object personal nouns. So first let us discuss what is subject personal pronoun. Now, subject personal pronoun is that type of pronoun which refers to the subject in a sentence. So examples of subject personal pronouns are I, he, we, she, etc. Right? They refer to the subject in a particular sentence. Therefore, this type of pronoun is also referred to as pronoun of nominative subject. Okay, it is referred to as pronoun of nominative subject. The second type of pronoun is object personal pronoun, and here it refers to the object in the sentence. Subject personal pronoun refers to the subject. The subjects are I, he, we, she, etc. And object personal pronoun refers to the object in a particular sentence. And the example of object personal pronoun can be her, his, them, etc. Where we focus or where we point out to the object in that particular sentence. Clear? And therefore, this type of pronoun is also referred to as the pronoun of objective. Now, the rule for pronouns or the rule for using pronoun is very simple, that first we should keep in mind that what nouns are we replacing, right? And that rule that means that we should keep in mind about the number, the gender of a person. Number means that the number of persons or the number of things which are as a noun, and gender means that the noun of gender. It can be he, she, they, or it can be it as well, right? But she means it is a girl, he means a boy. So what my point to say is that when we are replacing a noun with a pronoun, we should always keep in mind the nouns which are having any particular number or the gender of that particular noun. So for example, I say Sita is beautiful, he is wise. Now we know that Sita is the name of a girl. Now for girl is a female, right? And for female, we will either use she or we will use her. But here I am making use of the word he. So my sentence is incorrect. The usage of pronoun is incorrect. Why? Because I will be using she for a girl as he is always for a boy or for a male gender. So in place of he, I will say she is wise, which now makes my sentence correct. Sita is beautiful, she is wise. So through this example, I hope the rule of using pronoun is clear, that first find out what gender of noun is it, and then accordingly replace that noun with the suitable pronoun of the suitable gender. Then again, this was usage of pronouns in the form of gender. Next is usage of pronoun in form of number. Now in form of number means the flowers are kept on the table. It is lovely. Now here I am referring to the flowers. Now there are that is not a single flower, but it is more than one flower, right? It can either be bunch of flowers or the bouquet of flowers. That is not defined, but we know that flowers is plural. Now for the plural form of noun, we will always use plural form of pronoun. But here I am making use of the pronoun it. Now it is used for singular. Therefore again my sentence is wrong. For flowers, for plural, I will always be using they or I will be using them. So here I will say they are lovely, which makes my sentence complete. So I hope that now the rules are clear. So in this video, first we studied about the definition of pronoun. Then we discussed the different types of pronouns. The first type is personal pronoun. Second is possessive. Third is demonstrative. Fourth is interrogative pronoun. And the last one is relative pronoun. And then in this video, we focused basically on personal pronouns. Now personal pronouns are of two types: subject personal pronoun and object personal pronouns.